How's it going? My name's Aditya Desai, and I'm the author of Redefining Impact, a book focused on social impact and Generation Z. This book explores the intersection of social impact, strategic planning, and Generation Z. Gone are the days where social impact was viewed and perceived as a secondary facet of your business. It's now the pillar, it's now the component of your initiative that consumers or onlookers are putting greater and greater emphasis on. I decided to write Redefining Impact because impact has quickly evolved into a fundamental pillar of any undertaking that we have as Generation Z, be it with nonprofits, early stage ventures, or quite frankly, any initiative that crosses our mind and one that we choose to pursue. But the result has quickly become a Pandora's box of unanswered questions. Through this book, I hope to address some of the most important yet uncharted territory in the impact space, especially as a generation that is placing increasing value on that pillar. Finding impact, I've created an actionable guide that is pragmatic and that will allow everyone, be it young adults or adults, to create holistic impact. I feature historical anecdotes, research, case studies, and intensely personal narratives that will really allow you to learn about critical moves that will give you a comparative advantage in impact-centric endeavors. And by that, I don't just mean that the book will have a set case of examples, rather it'll be more like a checklist where each box is a practical example that you can actually conduct and implement in your own life, be it with your initiative, be it with your nonprofit, be it with your startup that you're working on, in order to make sure that your business goes beyond profits and actually has a social footprint that consumers recognize and follow and ultimately worship. In this book, you'll find insights from some industry veterans and names including Tom's, Patagonia, Ben & Jerry's, and a wide range of companies and individuals that are invested in impact today. In this book, you'll find a lot of very cool and fascinating stories, including how honeybees are really this exemplar for what social impact can be it by their virtue of always sharing their yield with others, being a part of a community. You'll also find a story about Coca-Cola and Pepsi and their common commitment to social purposes in spite of being consumer packaged goods and beverage companies. Hope for this book is that you'll be able to harness core chapter lessons, including sustainable crowdfunding and developing a triple bottom line, to further the scope of change that you make through your own initiative or nonprofit or ultimately career. And by being informed by some of the industry titans' unique approaches to social impact, you'll be able to develop your own vision of best practices in the space. Love and enjoy and like this book if you are a high schooler that's fascinated by the realm of social change, if you're a nonprofit leader, or even a startup founder who's looking to increase the social footprint that your initiative can have on the lives of others. My name is Aditya Desai, and my book is Redefining Impact, which explores the intersection of social impact, Generation Z, and strategic planning.